Hey guys, this is Countman from Trade for Freedom. We are back on a Monday to review some stocks. First of all, this is our disclaimer, so have a look at it. We're not providing financial advice. Do your own research, okay, and stuff like that. So let's move on to the charts. Okay, so firstly, let's have a look at Apple. Okay, so we've gone through this stock, Apple. So Apple had a cup and handle, and then it broke out. It's currently in a channel right now towards the top side. So it's slowly climbing up. It's respecting the channel. Okay, we expected this move last week. Okay, we drew this last week. It happened. Now it's back to the channel again. So as long as it doesn't trade below this price, about 305, we are expecting price to slowly head up. It's slowing down though. So most two scenarios that might happen with Apple would be one, if it shows strength to the top side, we expect an overshoot. Overshoot means it gets out of channel, then it continues going to the upside. This would be one scenario. Second scenario would be if price goes up, and then let me remove this, and then price breaks the channel, okay? And then it comes back and it finds the resistance becomes support around, with multiple resistances around here, about 280, the 280 mark. So two scenarios. One, it breaks out a channel. Two, it overshoots the channel. And then it continuously heads up. So for Apple, we will see in the coming weeks what will transpire. Next is Tesla. Okay, so Tesla currently, as I've drawn this before, on the weekly, we have a nice cup and handle, a bearish channel, it broke out. So it broke out of the channel and it formed another bullish channel, which is very good. However, it broke out of the bullish channel and then it's testing, we'll call this the head and shoulders. Okay, so this is the left shoulder or the QM, the Quasimodo. It's okay for now because this probably it's the price that Tesla will start to bounce. And also, as it broke out of the channel, it formed another channel. So that's the positive thing for Tesla. We're still expecting Tesla to go up strong, okay? To go up and test the all-time high about 500. This is our expectation for now for Tesla. Okay, we're still expecting the price to head up, and then but we shall see in the next coming weeks, next coming days. Next would be Amazon. Okay, Amazon is going up in the channel as well. So I've drawn this just now. We have a wave 1, wave 2, ABC, or wave 3. It rejected 9, very solid wave 4, and now it's heading up for wave 5, and it's in the channel. So we're expecting price to trade to the bottom of the trend line to around 210 to 220 before continuing the price to the upside. If this area is not respected, then I'm expecting price to break below the channel and trade towards the downside until it finds its bottom. Okay. So, but the most likely scenario is for Amazon to head back to the upside. This is our website, by the way. So this tradeforfreedom.co. This is my own dashboard. So join our, go to the website. We have all the details there. Join us on Discord. We're on YouTube, on X. So if you create a log account on our website, you have all these features. We'll have more features coming soon. So you can add your watch list, you can set alerts, you can join our Discord channel. You have, if you want more information, more coaching one-on-one, upgrade to VIP members, we will cater to whatever needs that you have. Okay, so we go back to the charts for now. So the next stock that I would like to have a look at is Intel, INTC. INTC. Okay, let's see how Intel is doing. So Intel is very impulsive. It's wave 1, wave 2, ABC, or wave 3. We are expecting a correction, again, an ABC correction of wave 4. So currently Intel is on the premium side. It's correcting now. It's got an ABC for a zigzag. We would prefer a more complex correction. So let the price retrace a bit deeper, okay? Because currently the price is a bit, we deem technically is a bit expensive. Okay, if we were to buy the stock at this current price now at 111, we'll be in no man's land. Okay, so if it makes a correction down towards the side and we can get example 1, 2, if we can get like a 38.2 to 50% correction, this would be a better area for us to get in. So currently it's a bit on the premium side. Okay, so we'll sit out and monitor INTC for now. Next would be Oracle. I think there's a good opportunity in Oracle. We had a look at the stock just now. So Oracle has bounced from the solid demand zone here as a wave 4. Wave 4 to us has been completed. So it's going up in the channel and currently is looking to test the bottom part of the channel. So we're expecting the price to head towards the upside. Okay, it might trade a bit lower, okay, before heading up to the upside, going back to the upside, but this is something that we have expected it, and we are looking forward to Oracle to start trading up to the upside. We have expected, we expect the fourth wave to end right here. And then the next wave is probably a A, B, C, or wave 5. So we look for price to at least test 320, around the 320 area to about the all-time high to about 343. That's what we're expecting on Oracle. Next, let's have a look at Meta. Okay, Meta is a very simple stock. Okay, it's wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 is currently in a triangle. So it's going to move sideways for quite some time within this range. Okay, within about 520, 690, and it gets smaller until it gets out of the triangle. So our bias is for the price to break towards the upside. I think that will happen like maybe 60, 70% of the time. But it also can break towards the downside and you make a more complex correction, like an A, B, C correction towards the downside. That's also another possibility. But the preferred scenario would be breaking towards the upside for Meta as it's on an impulse move. So it's like pole, flag, pole. Okay. So we're looking for Meta to go towards the upside. And also, so I think that's about it for today. Maybe one more stock that I can share is SPY. So we're monitoring SPY very closely because of the big drop last week. And as I've mentioned before, the first line of defense was 750. It broke right through. And the last line of defense now will be 730, which is currently holding up pretty strong. So I'm looking for SPY to trade in a range right now between 730 and 750. So SPY most likely is going to trade sideways. And I think the impulse move for SPY to the upside happened for quite some time, for the last couple of weeks. And now we are expecting the move to kind of like slow down a bit. Okay. So I'm looking for SPY to start ranging between 730 and 750. If it breaks above 750, I'd look for it to test the all-time high at 760 and see where it goes from there. Okay, guys. So join us on Discord. We're on Discord. This is our Discord channel. Currently, we've got like almost close to 100 members. We're slowly growing. We are very new still in the market. We have the community chat where we post some of the trades that we take, market mapping as per your request, and stuff. We also have our website. We have YouTube. We have X. So join us wherever you see us, and we'll see you in our Discord channel. All right. See you guys. Bye-bye.